Okay. In this video, I am going to explain how the Fisher control transmitter is working. This is a level control from Fisher control. This is not a controller. This is a transmitter, and you can see here on the nameplate 2500 series T at the end, which is a transmitter. And you can tell the difference between the transmitter and the controller by this plate, which has a zero adjustment, while the controller will have a raise level. Also, the proportional, the specific gravity adjustment, this is for the transmitter, while on the controller it will have a proportional adjustment. Okay, this is the main component. This is supply air pressure. This is the output from the controller. This is the pneumatic relay, board and tube, flapper assembly. Okay, we have this simulator here, and you can see the displacer is already, I put marking on it. It's like 25%, 50%, 75% to simulate the immersion and the output, and what is the response from the transmitter. In this video, I want to explain how to calibrate it. So let's say that all adjustments is out, and we have all are loose. Okay, so how to set this transmitter, how to calibrate it. First thing, we need to know what is the specific gravity of the liquid that we need to measure the level of. So in our case, it's water, so my specific gravity, I need to set it to 1. If it's oil, maybe around 0.8, 0.7. Okay, if it's less than that, then you can go, even less. Okay, here to start with, you need to set your adjustment to 0 on the zero adjustment, and also the flapper and nozzle now here. The displacer, make sure the displacer is out of the water, it's not immersed. Okay, now to start, what we need is I need to lock this flapper, so it will give me around 3 psi. Okay, so I will set my output around 3 psi, and I will lock this one here. Okay, it's not right now, it is almost around 1. Okay, so I need to set my output here using the zero adjustment to 3 psi. So if I set that one is to 3, okay, that's almost 3. Okay, that's 3 psi. Now I consider my transmitter is calibrated. How to verify the calibration? I'm going to lower the displacer inside the water and see the response. This level transmitter is a 3 to 15 psi range. So as soon as I put the displacer inside the water, 50%, I should get 9, and if it's fully immersed in the water, I should get 15 psi. So now I'm going to lower the displacer and watch the output. Now, as soon as it touches the displacer, as soon as it touches the water, the output will start changing. And now I'm going to take it to 25%. That is now. Now, if you just come close here, and you can see the output is 6 psi output. You can get it closer, okay? If I take it to 50, I should get 9 psi, which is half of the range, 3 to 15. So I'm going to lower it to 50%. You can see now it's 9 psi. Here you can see 9 psi. If I take it even lower, okay, take it with 75%. Okay, that's 12, and you can see it's clearly it's 12. And if I fully immerse the displacer inside the water, I should get 15. Okay, so that's. See, now you can see it's 15 psi. Now the calibration is done, and we have verified the calibration and it's working fine. So, but one thing very important to mention is this is a transmitter. There is another controller from Fisher, just looks exactly the same, but it's not a transmitter, it's a controller, but it's a proportional controller without a reset. There is also here, we have this controller from Fisher. It looks from outside exactly the same, but the internal is slightly different, and you can tell. This is a controller with a proportional and reset. I think that's about it, and I hope that explains how the transmitter work and calibration is done.